Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make slow cooker lemon garlic butter chicken thighs. This has become an instant favorite around the studio. It's so easy to put together and the flavor is out of this world. Place 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs into the bottom of a 6 to 8 quart slow cooker. If you aren't already in love with using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, you will be after this recipe. For the seasoning blend, you'll need 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of each of black pepper and crushed red pepper flakes. Then give this a quick stir to combine. Then you're gonna sprinkle this over your chicken thighs to generously coat each piece. This has so much flavor. Next, grab a clean, dry lemon, and we're gonna zest this over the tops of our chicken thighs. Then we'll slice that lemon in half and squeeze the lemon juice directly over the chicken thighs. Just be sure you don't get any seeds in there. Then we're gonna also add some fresh garlic on top, so you can mince that by hand or use a garlic press, which is always my favorite. Then you're gonna cut 6 tablespoons of butter into slices and just lay them out over the top of your chicken. Pop a lid on and cook on high for 3 hours or low for 4 to 5. And that's it. I told you this one is ridiculously easy and the flavor is out of this world. You will love how it makes your house smell while it cooks, and you're gonna love eating it even more. If you're feeling a bit extra, you can garnish with some slices of lemon and freshly chopped parsley. Serve it hot over something like mashed potatoes and drizzle it with those juices and you are gonna be in heaven. So, thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.